Make a great choice today with the 2021 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, towing package, heated mirrors, running boards, brake assist, navigation system, keyless entry, HD radio, remote start, push button start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.